Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to pedicure and manicure. First, gather your manicure essentials like clippers, a file, and polish. Begin by removing any old polish and carefully shaping your nails to your desired length and style. Next, soak your hands in warm, soapy water for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften your cuticles and skin. This prepares your nails for the next steps. After soaking, gently push back your cuticles using a cuticle pusher and carefully trim any hangnails. Next, exfoliate your hands with a gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells, then apply a rich moisturizer for hydration. Finally, apply a thin base coat, followed by 2 thin coats of your chosen nail polish color. Finish with a protective top coat for a lasting shine. Now, let's move on to pedicures. Start by removing any old polish from your toenails and trimming them straight across to prevent ingrown nails. Prepare a warm foot bath, adding Epsom salts for a soothing experience, and soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. This softens the skin, making it easier to address rough patches. Next, use a pumice stone or foot file to gently smooth away any calluses or dry skin on your heels and soles. After smoothing, gently push back your cuticles and apply a generous amount of moisturizer, massaging your feet for relaxation. Then, apply a base coat to your toenails, followed by 2 thin coats of your preferred polish color. Finish with a durable top coat for a long-lasting, chip-free finish. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.